Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 8 of the HCBS Final Rule: schedule and access to food. This requirement states that you have the freedom and support to control your own schedules and activities and have access to food at any time. Let's take a minute to see how an inspired piece of art, a Volkswagen bus, and a cabinet full of ramen help the residents of Sunny Oaks all get to their special events.
Good morning! Who's ready for bowling this weekend?
We are?
Great! Oh, it's my coffee time!
What's up, man? You were so excited about bowling.
Yeah, until I found out my team scheduled a scrimmage for Saturday.
I totally understand. I was just invited to Baskin Robbins' Breakfast of Champions on Saturday.
If it makes you feel any better, my art show's on Saturday, and I still haven't finished my centerpiece.
That blank canvas in your room?
Hey, I have artist block. It's a real thing.
Should we tell Nova?
Tell me what?
Nobody wants to go bowling.
What?
Steven wants to play softball, Maya wants to have breakfast, and Lorenzo is stressed out because his artwork is terrible.
Is that true?
Not the art part.
That's okay, I can cancel the bowling. What can I do to help?
I could use some help transporting my centerpiece to the art show.
That's why we have the SUV.
Can I get a ride to the field?
Of course, there's plenty of room.
Could I have a ride as well?
Sure. And Dexter, what are you doing on Saturday?
Not bowling.
What happened? Are you okay?
Remember when I said we needed to change the oil in the SUV?
Yes?
We didn't change the oil in the SUV.
Hey, sis.
What's wrong? Even over the phone, your aura is very gloomy.
I tried to plan a bowling trip for this weekend, but everyone had other stuff they'd rather go to.
Wow, everyone has their own thing going on. Far out.
Yeah, it's great, and I offered to drive them to their events, but the SUV just broke down and I don't know what to do.
Sometimes we are trying so hard to help that we forget that they can help themselves. And in doing so, they help us, help them.
I see. So I can empower them to tackle this themselves.
Exactly.
Okay, so the SUV is out of service for the whole month. We need to figure out transportation.
And my lunchtime is in 33 minutes, and we're out of food.
It's okay. We'll figure this out together.
Exactly! This mission is too important to leave to fate. We need to create a trade route for supplies. Then, safe transport for personnel in Lorenzo's creation. Hand me a grape soda. We need to save the galaxy. We're going to make a schedule that works for everyone. As Lanterman always says, to solve time and space, you must give space to your time.
Using the Neapolitan technique, brown means getting Lorenzo's centerpiece to the art show. White means you finding a ride to the ball field.
What's pink?
Strawberry.
Nice. This plan is really taking shape.
That was my catcher. He can take me to the scrimmage.
And I just texted Venus, who can pick you up from the field, after she helps me bring my centerpiece to the art show.
Here you go. Have a great day.
Lorenzo, your cosmic art transport has arrived.
That is 31 flavors of excellence.
It's a home run.
You guys really took charge. Let's do this every month.
Good idea. And, speaking of good ideas, I need one for the centerpiece of my art show.
Cool. And I'd like to eat now.
Well, follow me. Is this acceptable?
It's a blark work of art.
It is a blark work of art.
The residents of Sunny Oaks took charge of how they wanted to spend their time. Nova listened, and everyone got to their events and attended Lorenzo's art show. But most importantly, Dexter got to eat. You have the freedom and support to control your own schedules and activities, and the right to access food at any time. Remember, your planning team strives to be person-centered in all they do. And that person in the center is you.